Payoneer is another very popular service to receive online payments. Payoneer also offers a MasterCard which you can use ATM machines around the world to withdraw your cash. So sign up using my link and we will both earn $25 once you will receive your first $100 in your Payoneer account. Click on sign up and earn $25. Now you have two options. You can select your preferred withdrawal method, local bank account or prepaid MasterCard. You can click on prepaid MasterCard if you don't have a local bank account and click sign up. Enter all your details, your first name, last name, email address and your date of birth. Complete all the steps and wait for verifications. Payoneer will take few days to approve your account. Once your account is approved, you can start receiving payments.